Hello everyone, this is Shivika. Welcome back to English class. Students, today I am going to start the next parts of the speech, that is conjunction. In this class, we will study about the definition of conjunctions, types of conjunctions like conjunctions of time and conjunctions of reason with examples and exercise. So, let us start. Read these sentences. Your first sentence is, the phone rang and Tara answered it. Next is, do your work, or I will punish you. Next is, he is free now. He is free now. So he is watching TV. And are so because though until unless with which are used to join one group of words to another are called conjunctions. So, read these sentences. First sentence is, the phone rang and Tara answered it. The phone rang and Tara answered it. Second is, do your work or I will punish you. Do your work or I will punish you. He is free now, so he is watching TV. These words like and, are, so, because, though, although, until, unless, which are used to join one group of words to another. Okay? These words like and, are, so, because, though, although, until, unless, which are used to join groups of words to another are called conjunctions. Let's see the definition. Definition of conjunction. A conjunction is a word that joins words are groups of words. A conjunction is a word that joins words or group of words. For example, Jay was angry, but he controlled his temper. Jay was angry, but he controlled his temper. In this sentence, but is a conjunction because conjunction is a word which joins two words or group of words with each other, or sentences also. Okay. First sentence is Jay was angry. Second is he controlled his temper. Here word but joins two sentences with each other. So here but is a conjunction because it joins two words, two sentences, two groups of words with each other. In short, we can say that joining words are called conjunctions. Okay, joining words are called conjunction. A word which joins two words with each other, a word which joins two groups of words with each other, a word which joins two sentences with each other, that is conjunction. It means joining words are called conjunctions. Now have a look. The phone rang and Tara answered it. Tara answered it and the phone rang. Here and will be a conjunction because and joins two sentences with each other. Next is do your work or I will punish you. In this sentence are also joins two sentences, two groups of words with each other. It means it is also conjunction. Next is he is free now, so he is watching TV. Here so is a conjunction because it also joins two sentences with each other. It also joins two groups of words with each other. It means joining words are called conjunction. So here and, are and so, these are joining words. These are conjunctions. I hope it is clear. Now come to the next topic. Next is conjunctions of time. Types of conjunctions. First is conjunctions of time. Let us understand the definition of conjunctions of time when we use with examples. So let's see. Conjunctions of time. First is conjunctions of time. They tell us when an event is occurring. They tell us when an event is occurring. These are known as conjunctions of time. Conjunctions of time. Okay. Conjunctions of time tell us when an event is occurring. They are conjunctions of time. before, after, while, whenever, when, as soon as, and, until, are, conjunctions of time. Let us understand better with the help of some examples. Have a look. As soon as I felt tremors, I ran out to the house. Next is, please ask Pari to call me after she finishes her homework. There are two sentences. First is, as soon as I felt tremorous, I ran out to the house. Second is, please ask Pari to call me after she finishes her homework. As soon as and after she finishes her homework. Here, as soon as and after, both words tells when an event is occurring. Okay, it means both are conjunctions of time. Come to the next one, that is conjunctions of reason. Let us understand what is conjunction of reason with examples and some exercises. So, let us start. Conjunctions of reason. The conjunctions are answering the question why. Okay, they are of reason. Clear? The words so, because, as, since, and, for are called conjunction of reason. Examples. First is, let us leave early so that we reach on time. The teacher liked him because he was polite. He was polite and well behaved. Conjunctions of reason. The conjunctions are answering the question why. They are conjunctions of reason because it expresses the reason. The words so, because, as, since and for are called conjunctions of reason. For example, let us leave early so that we reached on time. So is a conjunction of reason answering the question why. Let's see, let us leave early. Why? So that we reached on time. Okay. So here so will be a conjunction of reason. It shows the reason to leave early. Next is the teacher liked him. The teacher liked him because he was polite and well behaved. Here because is a conjunction of reason because it shows the reason, because it gives the reason. The teacher liked him. Why? Answering the question why. Why the teacher liked him? Because he was polite and well behaved. So here word because which joins two sentences with each other with a reason, that is conjunction of reason. So here because is a conjunction of reason because it gives the answer for liking him. Okay. The teacher liked him. Answering the question why the teacher liked him. The answer will be because he was polite and well behaved. So here word because which joins two sentences. First is the teacher liked him and the second one is the teacher liked him, and the second sentence is he was polite and well behaved. There are two sentences. Okay. And here because joins two sentences with each other and shows the reason also, answering the question why the teacher liked him. The answer will be because he was polite and well behaved. So the teacher liked him. Okay. So here word because which joins two sentences with each other and gives some reasons, it will be a conjunction of reason. So students, in these sentences so and because both words are conjunctions of reason. They answering the question why. Okay. Okay students, let us understand better with the help of some exercise. So let's see, fill in the blank with the appropriate conjunctions. First sentence is Anju looks nice, she takes care of herself. Here we will use Anju looks nice because she takes care of herself. Okay. Because, here we will use conjunction because. Anju looks nice because she takes care of herself. Next is you cannot go for a movie until you finish your work. Until. Here we will use until. Until you finish your homework. Next is Jay was angry. He controlled his temper. Jay was angry but. Here we will use but. Jay was angry but he controlled his temper. Next is you will not do well, you practice hard. You will not do well until. You will not do well until you practice hard. Let us see one more exercise. Next exercise is join the sentences using conjunctions. First sentence is Zaran loves to play cricket. He does not like to field. There are two sentences. First is Zaran loves to play cricket. Second is he does not like to field. Write down the correct answer. The correct answer will be Zaran loves to play cricket, but he does not like to field. Here we will use conjunction but to join two sentences. Come to the next one. The cow is brown, full stop, and the second sentence is the calf is white. Write down the correct answer. The cow is brown, but the calf is white. Here we will use conjunction but to join these sentences. Next is Jack bought a lock. Jack bought a lamp. There are two sentences. First is Jack bought a lock and the second is Jack bought a lamp. Write down the correct answer. Jack bought a lock and a lamp. Here we will use conjunction and to join two sentences with each other. Next is all the plants died, full stop. Next sentence is it did not rain. Write down the correct answer. All the plants died because it did not rain. Here we will use conjunction because to join both sentences. Next is she went to play, full stop. Her mother had asked her to tidy her room. Write down the correct answer. She went to play, although her mother had asked her to tidy her room. Here we will use conjunction although to join two sentences with each other. Next is she was ill. She was ill, full stop. She went out in the rain. Here we will use conjunction because to join both sentences with each other. So the correct answer will be she was ill because she went out in the rain. Here we will use conjunction because to join these sentences. She was ill because she went out in the rain. Let's start. Complete the following sentences using the conjunctions from the box below. There are some conjunctions. Using the conjunctions, complete the sentences. Until, before, when, while, as soon as, whenever. So let's start. First sentence is you will not go to play. Here we will use conjunction before. Before you complete your work. Here we will use conjunction before. Okay. Next is Alice left. Here we will use as soon as. Okay. Alice left as soon as her class was over. Here we will use conjunction as soon as. Next is the bus arrived. We will use here while. The bus arrived while they were taking tea. Here we will use conjunction while. The bus arrived while they were taking tea. Come to the next one. Next is look for the book. Here we will use whenever. Look for the book whenever you need help. Here we will use whenever, okay. Look for the book whenever you need help. Next is you were sleeping until. Until the bell rang. Next is you want it. Here we will use when. You want it when you have no other option. You want it when you have no other option. Here we will use conjunction when. Students, some conjunctions are used in pairs. Have a look. There are some conjunctions they always used in pairs, like both, with, and. Here both, Shubham and Ann. They always used in pairs. Both Shubham and Ann had a sandwich. Have a look. Both and Ann. Both are conjunctions and they always used in pairs. Next is either or. They always used in a pairs. Next is neither, with, nor. Either or. Next is neither nor. It is neither. It is neither useful nor ornamental. Here neither, with, nor. They always used in pairs. Next is whether, with, or. I do not care whether you go or stay. Here whether and are, both are used in pairs always, okay. Next is not only but also. Here not only and but also, both are used in pairs. For example, not only is he foolish but also obstinate, okay. Here not only, with, but also, both are used in pairs. So there are some conjunctions like both and, either or, neither nor, whether or, not only but also. They are some conjunctions which always used in pairs. You can understand with these sentences. Both Shubham and Ann had a sandwich. Either take it or leave it. It is neither useful nor ornamental. I do not care whether you go or stay. Next, not only is he foolish but also obstinate. It means all these conjunctions used in pairs. Let us understand better with the help of some exercise which is based on it. Let's see. Underline the conjunctions in the following sentences. Underline the conjunctions which used in pairs. We have already studied about it. All these conjunctions which used in pairs. So let's see. Either you or I must go. Here either, with, are, both are used in pairs. Next is I don't know whether he is there or not. Here whether, with, are, both are used in pairs always, okay. Next is neither Ram nor Hari broke the window. Here neither, with, nor, both are used in pairs. Next is he visited not only Agra but also Delhi. Not only, with, but also, They always used in pairs. Next is the man is neither wealthy nor wise. Neither with nor. They used in pairs. Next is either you are mistaken or I am. Either are. They are used in pairs. Next is I shall go whether you come or not. Here whether are. Whether are. They are used in pairs. Next is could you lend either a pen or a pencil? Which one? Here either or. They used in pairs. Next is how can we be healthy both in mind and body? Here both and. They are used in pairs, both and. Next is how can you write if you have neither a pen nor a pencil? How can you write? So here neither or nor. Okay, here neither and nor. They are used in pairs. So all these are conjunctions which used in pairs. Let's see one more exercise.
Next exercise is rewrite the sentences given below in your notebook using the correct conjunction of reason. Your first sentence is, so that it was raining heavily, I could not go for a walk. The correct answer will be, I could not go for a walk because it was raining heavily. Here we will use conjunction of reason because. It joins two sentences with each other. Next is, because I have explained properly, he does not understand. Write down the correct answer. I have explained properly because he does not understand. Here we will use conjunction of reason because. Come to the next one. The radio was blaring loudly and my grandfather is hard of hearing. Write the correct answer. The radio was blaring loudly because my grandfather is hard of hearing. Here we will use conjunction of reason because. It joins two sentences with each other and give the reason also. Come to the next one. I was freezing since I wore my muffler and gloves. I was freezing since I wore my muffler and gloves. Write the correct answer. I was freezing until I wore my muffler and gloves. Here we will use until, not since, okay? I was freezing until I wore my muffler and gloves. Here we will use until. Until is a conjunction of reason. It joins two sentences with each other. Next is, I don't like her, so she spreads rumors. The correct answer will be, I don't like her because she spreads rumors. I don't like her because she spreads rumors. Here we will use conjunction because to join two sentences with each other.
Okay students, it's over for today. I hope you enjoyed the class. If you have any query regarding this topic, conjunction, you can ask me. Till then, keep studying, stay at home and be safe. Goodbye.